Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a C by GE Cync Outdoor smart camera and you need to do a hard reset on it. Now this is if you have the wired version, the hardwired version of the camera. Now you might want to do this for any variety of reasons. If the camera is not connecting or not syncing properly, or if it's not following the instructions or not responding to your apps or anything like that, or any kind of troubleshooting issues like this can be fixed with a hard reset very often. And it's quite simple to do. So on your outdoor wired camera, all you need to do is get a paper clip or a pin or something like that. Just make sure it's not too sharp. And you're going to come in here, behind it here, right below the SD port, and there you'll find the little reset hole. Now you need to push the pin and hold that for at least 3 seconds. You'll know you've held it long enough when the LED light on the camera turns red. Once the light turns red, you can let go and your camera is reset and you can go ahead and set it up like a new camera.